Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I hope you're having a wonderful start to the new year. This is the first video on my channel for 2022. Sorry about that, by the way. It's taken a little bit longer than I anticipated, but who could have foreseen it? But 2022 didn't start off fantastic for me. I guess because we just like plopped on another one, I was like, oh, is it gonna be different? It never is. But nonetheless, I am excited for this new year, and I thought we'd start it off with something kind of weird, because, why not? I've been seeing these types of videos for a while now where people are buying like Amazon returns, sometimes in like shocking quantities. Like pallets, boxes, they're being brought to them on semis worth of Amazon returns. Or they're just buying people's lost mail. I saw some videos where this lady went to like the swap meet and she's just buying people's mail. I don't know how they get so much mail at the swap meet. Is that legal? Is this legal? I don't know. I hope so. I do hope so. And as I was watching these videos, I'm like, that's not probably a great idea. But the curiosity got the best of me, as it always does. It will be my downfall. Curiosity and my inability to remember things will be my downfall. So once upon a time, several months ago, I ordered a package of is this returns? What is this? I don't know. I honestly don't know. I ordered this so long ago that I just assumed I was being scammed and my $100 was just being taken from me to never be seen again. But I got a package. I got a box of stuff. Inside of here, we just have a random assortment of lost mail or returned mail or somebody else's mail. I have other people's mail inside of this box, is what I'm trying to tell you. What a strange concept. Who did this? Who thought of this? As I mentioned, this was a $100 box of other people's mail, and I assume I'm not getting that value back with whatever is inside of here. One thing that I have noticed about these types of unboxings is that typically the people are wearing like some type of glove, like a hand protectant. I don't have any gloves that'll actually protect you, like create a skin barrier for anything that could be icky in this mail, but I do have this pair of thin winter gloves. So I guess I'll just go ahead and pop these bad boys on and we'll get to unboxing. Thinking about it now, it might just be like the slightest bit difficult to open these little bags with these gloves on, but we'll give it our best shot. All right, yeah, we got a beekeeping tool, we got some black gloves on, I look like a low-rate burglar, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get on into snooping through other people's potential belongings. Okay, first I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out probably one of the larger things in here that's also not in like any type of mail bag at all whatsoever. So I don't know how this counts as either a return or a lost package, but we have this. This could actually be something fairly useful for a lot of people, I'm sure. This is a sofa cover for a love seat. Very specifically a love seat. I don't have a love seat. My mom does though. I don't know if she would like this brown, but she has a love seat. What? There's no brand. There's no brand at all anywhere associated with this. It literally just says sofa cover made in China, and that's all the information you get. It does look pretty new though. I'm gonna sniff it. Is that weird? Oh, it smells brand new. Oh yeah, that smells like a Big Lots. I mean, hey, you know what? If you have a sofa, specifically a love seat, and you need it covered, this would be really nice for you. Any of the stuff that I'm not gonna like keep, which I'm assuming is gonna be a large portion of it, is definitely gonna be donated, given away. I also have a peddler's mall booth. I could just peddle it and try to reclaim some of my funds. But most likely it's gonna be donated. Curious. Very curious. Are we getting like scammed? Like for real, like straight up scammed? I'm a little bit suspect now, or actually a lot suspect now, because looking at these things initially, I'm like, okay, there's the shipping label and they've like inked it out. However, looking at it, this isn't something that's been inked over. It looks like this was made up like this on a computer and printed that way. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see what I'm talking about, but it's like, this doesn't look like Sharpie over top of an original shipping label. It looks like this thing was printed out, all marked out like that. Yeah, I mean, like I can see like the printer grid in it. Are they all like that? They're the same exact scribbles. I am being duped. They're the same exact little scribbles. These are just stickers printed out on a computer. It's the same scribble. It's the same scribble. I can't pick it up with these gloves. Everything's so slippery. You know what's happening here? I know what's happening here. My guess of what is happening here is this is not actual people's like lost or returned mail. I somehow forgot to mention this in my conspiracy theory that I'm about to go into here, but what I was thinking at this time is that they're probably buying like Amazon return pallets and then they're just parceling them out into these little packages, pretending that they're actual people's lost mail, but in all actuality, they know exactly what is inside the packages. I think what this company has done is they've gone out and they've gotten themselves a bunch of different like mailers to make things look different. They've then gone ahead and gotten themselves one of them sticker printers. They're making making up fake shipping labels that they have blurred out in Microsoft Paint, slapping them on here and pretending that they are actual like lost or returned mail, then charging you $100 for the box with like the hopes of you getting something cool that somebody has either gotten lost in the mail or returned, but they know probably exactly the value of all the stuff inside of this box. So yeah, this is a lie. It's a lie. This is a fraud. Anywho, we're still gonna open it. We're still gonna go ahead and see what is in here, but I feel a little less snoopy now knowing that it's not actual people's mail. All right, so package number one, the first thing that I am seeing is it's from Apple. It's definitely been opened. It most definitely has been opened. We have a Siri remote. So what's a Siri remote? Siri's on your phone, the little talking lady on your phone. What do you use this for? I mean, it seems like a legitimate Apple product. I don't really know. It also seems broken, or maybe that's supposed to be like that. Is that a button? Like this whole little top part up here just clicks. Never heard of a Siri remote before. Don't really know what its use is, but it did come with a little charging cable and I can always use one of those, so that's a win. Okay, I just had another thought. What if this is actually return mail or lost mail, but they were too afraid of releasing people's information, so they like took it out of the other packaging and then put it into their packaging with fake little stickers on it? Maybe that's the case. Maybe they're not lying directly to you. I was trying to see if they were just covering up the old sticker. Yeah, I don't think so. Maybe that is the case. Maybe they're just going above and beyond to make sure people's information isn't released, but it just seems so sketchy. The whole thing just seems very sketchy. My gloves getting stuck to everything. Release! All right, next up, let's go for this little white package right here. We have a box on the inside. Ooh, kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm actually kind of excited about this one. My fiance and I are turning our TV room into like a movie room and we're going all out. I have a popcorn machine that he got me for Christmas in there. I have little shelves with like the movie box candy on them. Like we're going all out, so I feel like we could definitely use those in there. Oh my. It's just so much hair in different colors too. Okay, gloves are a good idea. Gloves are a good idea. Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna touch them. I'm not gonna touch them. These aren't gonna be donated. These are just probably gonna make their way to the trash. I hate to throw away stuff, but like that's a lot of hair. That's more hair than lights. There are more individual hairs than individual LED lights inside this box. I can only hope they're not used. What am I looking at here? I'm really hoping there's less hair on this one. Oh, okay. I thought this was just a big bag of like pantyhose. Like I thought it was just a large bundle shoved into a bag of just pantyhose, and I was getting a little nervous based on the state of the last thing that we opened. But this is a little skirt. It's kind of like a prairie-esque looking skirt. There's some buttons up the front. This is actually kind of cute. There's zero chance of me being able to button these right now. Or ever. Are the buttonholes too small for the buttons? My heavens. They could have cut the holes just slightly larger. Or made the buttons just slightly smaller. Okay, so this is what the skirt is. It's definitely made out of very not high quality material. Again, looking very like hosiery. Maybe the skirt wasn't meant to be unbuttoned because it is elastic in the back, so you could just like, you know, yank it on over yourself. It's not like the worst skirt I've ever seen. I probably personally wouldn't wear a skirt like this, so this will most likely be donated, but I mean, yeah, this is fine. It didn't come from like any brand or anything. It just has an M for Mambo. But I mean, at least it's not like, you know, stained or covered in sticky stuff and hair or anything like that, so that's okay. That's fine. This is fine. Moving on here to this purple looking package. I really wish I had a pair of scissors, but I don't. Anywhere that I know of, at least. I mean, I probably have like 8 to 10 pairs of scissors. They're just missing. Is this a tutu? Please be a tutu. Please be a tutu big enough for me to wear. This is adorable. This is so cute. I don't think Ren's ever worn a dress before. I won't do it to him. It fits him perfectly. It fits him so good. Oh, I just had to try it. He actually really does like putting on sweaters and things like that. He gets excited to get dressed up, so I knew he wouldn't mind at all trying this on. Oh, Ren, you look so pretty. He's just the best in the whole world. I love him so much. You look beautiful, my dear. You look simply beautiful. Ravishing. All right, next up here we have a shiny silver bag. That is very sticky. They're all very sticky. Okay, well, this is actually something that I have been considering getting. Not this particular thing. Well, maybe I need this particular thing. I don't really know what this is, but it has a switch on the front of it, and I had been thinking about getting a switch. I feel like it would be just like a fun little handheld thing, maybe instead of watching like thousands of very short videos videos back to back on like Instagram and all the other places that have that now. Maybe I can, you know, do something more productive, you know, like play a video game on a Switch. But this is a video interface screen switching multi-function charging dock. That sounds very fancy. Whoever returned this actually did go to the effort of like wrapping it back up in its little papery stuff. And it actually still has all of the little like protective seals on it. I don't know if this is supposed to come with any cords. There's a lot of places to put cords. There's a lot of little holes here for cords, but there are no cords inside of this box. But maybe you do just get the dock, so this could be a whole item here. So yeah, I guess that's pretty nice, especially if you have a Switch. Ooh, this one actually feels really interesting. It feels like there might be a couple of things in here actually. Ribbon dancer. It does look like there are a few things in here. So the first item I'm seeing is a shower head. Okay, so this box has most definitely been opened. I can't tell if the shower head's actually been used or not. I don't think it is because like the little binding is still around it. So this looks like a slippery. This looks like a unused shower head, which, you know, that's nice. It is from Waterpik. It has 6 different sprays, installs in minutes, and this man, this kind of like older Taylor Lautner looking-esque dude here, seems to really be enjoying himself. So I guess it's a nice shower head. Full body massage, slow massage, water-saving trickle. Who wants a trickle inside of their shower? I feel like if it trickles, it's going to take you longer to wash your body, so therefore you're going to be using more water, but okay. Then there's a full body spray, a power spray, and a pulsating massage. So, you know, fun. And there is one other thing in here, and it is a very smashed Panasonic Comfort curved blade design. What is this? It's a nose hair trimmer. What I've always wanted. Is it used? Is it used? I need to know if it's used before I like really get in there. Okay, we have things in plastic wrap. That's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good. Honestly, I don't think this has been used. This looks like it is unused, thankfully. We don't need any more hair in this box. I mean, the box is really smashed in, but the product itself still looks fine. Is there a cord or anything in here? Okay, it says it's battery operated, so I guess it doesn't come with a cord or anything. You just put like a battery into it, and yeah, it has like all little protective seals. Is it supposed to be a mirror? Are you supposed to trim your nose hair with that small of a mirror? What do they think? You're just like on the go. You're like sitting on the bus or something and you just don't have like a full mirror in front of you in a bathroom. So you have like, you know, that much of a mirror to trim your nose hairs as you do on the bus. And yeah, so this isn't a bad item. A Panasonic, I'm pretty sure, is a good brand. So like, I don't know, maybe my dad would want this or something. I'm not saying that like you need it or anything, Dad. Just like maybe if you want it, I think it's unused and it's free. I'm like 97% sure it's not been used. The 3% is a little bit worrisome, I will admit, but like 97% sure it's not used. All right, you guys, that brings us to the largest and the most vibrant little bag we have here. Let's go ahead and get on into this one. This one's like extra sticky. My glove was firmly stuck to this for a little while. Oh, heck yeah. I'm just as excited about this as this enthusiastic child is on the front. Oh, it comes with like goals and everything. I'm actually excited. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. I have like kind of a long hallway that runs right here through the middle of the house, and it's hardwood. I feel like my fiance and I are just the kind of people that would really get a kick out of this. Oh, heck. I haven't even told you guys what this is. This is the Sport Football Air Hover Football Striking Set. So I'm guessing it's kind of like an air hockey thing that you can kick it around with your feet. This just seems really fun and I hope it works. It looks like it came with all of the pieces. It has, if it weren't broken, maybe it is now. So this is the USB rechargeable hover soccer ball with cable. So this plugs in, it charges, and it's supposed to have a pretty long life, and then you can just like kick it around. I'm gonna assume it's kind of like a air hockey puck on an air hockey table with except opposite. So like instead of the table producing the air for it to hover, this is gonna produce the air for it to hover, and I think that's pretty fun. Ages 3 and up, sounds about right. It works! Oh, multi-purpose. This is kind of fun. This is kind of exciting. I'm kind of glad I did this now. Yes, I like this. I'm very excited about this. So yeah, this is gonna be pretty fun. I think this will be pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and then I'm gonna ask my fiance to play with me when he gets home. Oh, to be almost 30, and you can do whatever you want. It's liberating. Alright, you guys, so that was everything that came in my mystery return mail, lost mail box. I'm still not 100% sure what this is. I'm gonna assume it is returns and they're just, for privacy purposes, making up their own like shipping labels and packages and stuff. This was both fun and kind of gross, strange combination. Just a little bit something different for the new year. I just kind of wanted to completely do something new for this brand new year. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Did you guys have a good time watching it? Would you like to see any more? Are you good with not seeing anything else like this? Just let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, I guess that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!